Sorry. Oh, that is fun. Ready? Yeah, right here on the path. Yeah, on the path. On the path. Right here. I like the way I beat you right here, right. Whoa. Oh, I just fell. Whoa, whoa. I beat up. Hold up. And ready, set, go. Get up. Get up. Ready, set, go. Michelle won. Yeah, they gotta get up there. No, that's my catch. That's where I found the shoe. All right. Cool day. Oh my gosh, she's singing Kumbaya. And she used to sing Mary Had a Little Lamb.
It's the same beat for Kumbaya and Mary Had a Little Lamb.
Wait. Angle from the book.
That's some videography, is what that's called.
Well, and then now this, and now this angle.
I'm glad I brought my ukulele.
You know what video angle would be cool? Through, and down.
I thought you were gonna say through the back of your head if you were shot.
Why would,
I don't know that's a
why would I say that? Because I'm a jerk. Yeah, through the back and the hole of your head from that shotgun.
From the shotgun I'm gonna shoot you with. I've been playing these TikToks for so long. Okay. On a mountain on top of a hill, overlooking the guys making fire and seaweed and krill, spending my day tending away in a garden in the snow. I don't remember the rest of the whole song. I forgot the words.
What happened to the first bunk bed song?
That was about the bunk bed, but it was also about our such that. On top of a bunk bed, on top of another bed, on top of an Amy, on top of a pile of snow, spending my day watching you build a fire on a bunk bed, on a pile of snow. Something like that.
Earlier you said all kinds of things.
I know. Well, I was like, sometimes it's like it passes. The creativity. Gone. Overlooking the PBR cans. I said that. The PBR cans. The people in cups. Overlooking a blackbird that's dead on the table. Wish I was able to bring him back to life, but I can't. And he's dead! Dead as a doorknob. I was gonna say upside down for a second, but I think
He's alive! Magically resurrected! Magically resurrected! This is what what's
Oh my God,
happening.
you know what we should do? We should make a puppet show.
Don't lose him.
We're not. He's alive.
This is how he sings.
Alright,
I wish I had your face when you said dead.
I don't know how I did it. I forgot.
It was real intense.
Yeah, I was feeling real intense.
Oh, your legs are short.
It's your little legs. Squeaky wood. It's kind of like a spoon, and it's kind of like a fork. It leaves you with everything, but it leaves you wanting more. It's good for eating pineapple, but also oatmeal. You find it in the bin at the grocery store, like Whole Foods, and it is such a steal, so you steal it, and you take it home, or you can be alone. Enjoy your semi-solid foods. Oh, girl, you know it's so good. It's so good. It's a spork, and you know it's not a fork, and it's not a spoon. What the hell are we gonna do about it? We're gonna eat pineapple and applesauce at the same time. The same time. Because it rhymes. It's finally just fine. So you took it home and you ate all these foods. You said they were so good, but what you gonna do? You gotta combine everything that you know and make it somehow as cool as this thing. What if it glows in the dark and it has lots of sparkles? Well, it's worth a shot. It's so hot when it's acting like a spoon and acting like a fork. You know it's neither, but it makes you want to fork it. 'Cause it's the tits.
What?
That's right, it's the tits. And this is the end of the song. You know the song went so wrong so many ways. So I just play. Make up words. I don't know where they're going. It almost hurts. How bad this is getting. So I'm gonna stop it in 3 seconds.